The Kuki peoples are giving the free passes, from Kampopi to the airport. But on the other side, since May 3rd, 2023, Meitei people cannot enter this Kampopi, Motbung, and this highway. Meitei people cannot go freely till today. And even now, Naga people also cannot go this Kuki area. But why central government and the state government are giving free passes to the Kuki people? So this is very clearly that, demonstrate central government and the state government, both governments are, favoring, supporting to the Kuki people. And that the 6 Naga, has been killed by the Kuki terrorist militant. And now the dead bodies, are kept in the mob. And till today, the government, are not booked the culprit. So these women, Merai Paibis, are demanding to book the culprit immediately. So until unless the central government, the state government are not booked this culprit, this woman, when this Merai Paibi and we the Native People Committee will never allow to go these Kuki people, in the Imphal area and other areas, So we are demanding before the central government and the state government, until unless, the state government is not abrogated the SU, and until unless these Kuki refugees are not surrendered before the Meiteis and the Nagas, we will never allow any Kuki people to enter in our Naga and Meitei inhabited area. So for this reason, today the Merai Paibis, jointly, from the Shekmai Apunpa Merai Paibi loop and the Kala Tombi Naga women that loop, they are jointly protesting here, against the Kuki free movement, protecting by the security forces. So we are strongly against the central security forces and the state security forces to give free passes to the Kuki.